Hi guys, I'm Lauryn Tyrell, Senior Food Editor at Martha Stewart Living, and today I want to show you how to make a simple drink that I have been enjoying a lot already this summer, and that is a red wine spritz. Very simple to make. It's red wine. I would use a fruity wine here, nothing too fancy for sure. Just use something inexpensive but that you like. 2 parts red wine, and you can build it right in the glass. Make sure you've got plenty of ice. 1 part red aperitivo. This is similar to a Campari. You could also use Aperol here if you wanted a little sweeter, or even like a sweet vermouth would be good. 1 part red aperitivo. And a little bit of seltzer to finish it off. And then I like to use a twist. I have tangerines here. You could do orange or even lemon or anything like that. There you have it. Not too boozy, just boozy enough. Hope you enjoy.